Hello everyone! I'm gonna go ahead and review 3CE Stylenanda Mood for Blossom Nail Lacquer with clear color and gorgeousness. The line comes in 3 different colors: Petal-pink, living coral, and peach. What I have is the Petal-pink with the code PK24. The liquid color in real life looks less pink and has more coral tint than in advertising pictures. But the result seems to match with the finishing result of the advertisement. So let's get started. The product is meant to be layered as the nail paint is quite transparent. I'm gonna have 3 coats of layers with this nail polish. I tried this nail polish on my toes and it seems to last at least for 2 weeks. I have reviewed other 3CE Stylenanda nail polishes before on my channel, and I really think this line is similar to the other lines I have tried from 3CE Stylenanda. You can check my other video where I'll link it. The finishing look is glossy, smooth. Overall, it is pretty easy to apply and layer with. The color is great if you do not want vibrant, glare-seeking nail colors on your hands, and the drying time is not too bad either. I got this product for around €7 and I recommend this one for home uses. I especially like it on my toes because it makes my toes look so much better and presentable while still looking natural. See you guys in another one.